PLA and PETG comes in different forms. We have our PLA Premium, PETG High Speed, and then the absolute beast, the PCTG, which was covered already, and then we have PLA Carbon Fiber Reinforced, and then at the end, PETG Carbon Fiber Reinforced. These 5 filaments are definitely in the list of my favorites. Welcome back to Spectrum Filaments. My name is Alessio. In the past couple of weeks, I 3D printed this CAD model quite a few times to showcase other filaments. And because the way it's modeled, we can actually check with our filaments all these amazing surfaces which one looks the best. So let's start with our PLA CAD. This is our premium PLA, and you can see the surfaces are absolutely beautiful, super smooth and not too shiny. We all know that PLA along with PETG are the most used filaments, so for this one I would say is a win-win. Also the color is absolutely beautiful. And yes, we can see a seam line on the model right here, but I actually made a video about it on how to remove it. Please do check it out. We can see also the first layer is perfect and top layers too. There is a slight sagging on the chin, but that was due to the supports. I didn't actually tweak the settings. But again, if you actually want to see how to fix this too, check this video right here. But now let's move on to the PETG CAD. PETG is well known for being a little bit stringy, and we can see it right here as well. But other than that, we can also see the usual shine that PETG leaves on their surfaces. But again, this turned out to be absolutely great. And I wanted to remind you that this is PETG High Speed. Again, the bottom layer is perfect. And yes, we still have the seam line. And the chin, we have still the same problems. You can check the other video to fix it. Overall, turned out absolutely great. Next up is an underrated filament, PCTG, which I have to say it prints like butter. If you're thinking about settings, it prints exactly like PETG. Maybe there's a little bit of differences you can check in the guide, but let's check it out. You can see right away that PCTG is less shiny than PETG, which gives, in my opinion, a better surfaces look. Same issues on the chin, but the first layer is perfect as well. The layer lines are absolutely perfect one after the other, and no complaint on this one. And I left the other two at the end because these two filaments are literally my favorites. And this is the CAD printed with PLA Carbon Fiber Reinforced. Let's check it out. As you can see, it's not super shiny, but also not super matte. I would say less shiny than PLA. And we can see no layer lines. And this is why it's one of my favorite filaments. First layer perfect again, still we have the seam line and also the sagging on the chin, but wow, this filament is an absolute beauty. And finally, we have the last one, PETG Carbon Fiber Reinforced. Let's check it out. First layer is absolutely perfect. The chin is a little bit better than PLA CF, and the top is perfect too. All the details are absolutely outstanding. There is a little bit of sagging in the front right here, but that's okay. And again, like PLA CF, we don't see the layer lines. And also it gives this rough surfaces, which is really nice to touch. And if I have to choose between PLA CF and PETG CF, I would probably go with PLA CF because it's less rough. But again, it turned out absolutely perfect. So we have our 5 CADs printed with PLA Premium, PETG High Speed, PCTG, PLA CF, and PETG CF. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments down below. If you want to try these filaments yourself, the links will be in the description below. And this is it for this quick video, but please stay tuned for next week's video because we're gonna tackle, finally, lightweight PLA Ultrafoam, which is a really interesting filament. And that's it for today. Make sure to subscribe if you're not, like and leave comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Alessio and this is Spectrum Filaments, and I'll see you next week.